Good morning everyone. Today I want to demonstrate the capabilities and the functioning of OBS Studio software, which is nothing but a software which records your screen. So whatever you are presenting, it is shown and it is recorded, and at the same time with the help of webcam it records you, the presenter. So the videos can be more interactive because the presenter is also visible. At the same time the whole screen is visible, which means you can present a presentation. At the same time you can if you want to share some information which is available in your system, any photo, any video, you can share it. So what we do, I just for a demo I start a small presentation. So there is some presentation, let's check it. Okay, this is a presentation on clean energy, and I will just open it and will start presenting it. So this is a presentation on clean energy given by me, and it is very evident that there is increased amount of air pollution due to increased use of fossil fuels, our over dependency on fossil fuels. But we at the same time know the energy is prime mover of the development process. So any amount of progress any country makes, it usually depends on how much energy it is using for its developmental activities. So this is a comparison which shows that the countries which are less developed, which are underdeveloped, they are somewhere not using energy amount when compared to the developed countries. And this is the energy consumption scenario as at present. Mainly energy is deriving from fossil fuels at present. So that is the problem. In future, however, the scene may be different, as study shows that in future the major contribution will be from solar and our oil dependency will be lesser. So here what we can see that if we want to, this slide is having too much information. So if we want to emphasize on this, that solar contribution will be more, oil contribution we can see is less. So we can move cursor to that place, so that way it is more interactive, and particularly in interesting photos to make more concentration of the participants. This movement it helps really. So this is very interesting photo which says that if we develop, this is a comparative studies of all the renewable energy, their utilizable potential, and how can it help in our energy demands. So one interesting figure is this: if we develop our hydropower to fully utilizable potential, it can fulfill all the energy demands of us. However, if we develop all the tidal energy, it has double potential than our demands. Wind is having 200 times, sorry, and solar is having 2850 times the energy demands of our energy demand. It is having the potential of that. So I will show, there is one video also, how video runs on this OBS Studio, and how the sound embedded in that video is captured by this software.
The Earth intercepts a lot of solar power, 173,000 terawatts. That's 10,000 times more power than the planet's population uses. So is it possible that one day the world could be completely reliant on solar energy? To answer that question, we first need to examine how solar panels convert solar energy to electrical energy. Solar panels are made of...
So we can see the voice, the sound is very nicely captured by the software, and the beauty of this screen recording is this: in middle of this presentation I want to show some other references, so I just need to minimize my presentation and go to some drive where I want to show some pictures or some other references, some drawings, some videos. So whatever is coming on the screen, it will be recorded. So that is the beauty of this. Now I want to share that how we have to download this software. Just go to the browser and type obsproject.com. This OBS means Open Broadcaster Software, and we will just type this, and this will be the window opening. And for our Windows system, we will just try to download it. As soon as we will select this option, the setup file will start to be downloaded. So I have already downloaded this setup file, so I don't need to download it again. I will just show you from my download section. So this is the setup file, and once it is fully downloaded, when you download this setup file, setting up this in your installation is very simple. Like any other installation, you just keep on pressing yes, I agree, and it will be installed in your system. So of course it is already installed in my system, so I don't need to again do it, or I will have to close the program. And one more thing, when you will download this, sometime it can ask that you need in your system MS Visual C++ redistributable is not available, and you have to download it. So that is required in this particular software for its functioning. So a link is there, you download that also. So this was not available in my system also, so I have downloaded, and simply the installation procedure I just followed it. So once that is completed, you will get an icon like this. So when you will open this, it will look like this. देखने में थोड़ा सा clumsy लग रहा है, but it is very simple to use. What you will do, just go to this sources. In sources, press this plus tab. In plus tab, select display capture and video capture device. So these two options you have to select. I have selected video capture device and display capture. So what you will do, आप जैसे इसको display capture को press करेंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं किसी दूसरी चीज़ को करता हूँ, मान लीजिए ऑडियो इनपुट कैप्चर कर रहा हूँ, एंड इट विल आस्क एंड जस्ट प्रेस ओके एंड इट विल बी added. But we don't need any other thing than video capture and display capture, so I will just remove it. So first thing you have to do, you have by this tab you have to select display capture and video capture device, and just by simply pressing OK, it will come here and it will start showing you, because you have this video capture device आपने select कर लिया है, तो it will start showing you, and this will come somewhat like this. वो full screen आपको दिखाएगा, but in your presentation you want to show your video at one corner in a small size only. So what simply we will make it at some corner or whatever size we require. बस हम ये ध्यान रखते हैं कि प्रेजेंटेशन को ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब नहीं करे, ऐसा नहीं हो कि कोई उसका मैटर इससे ढक जाए. अकॉर्डिंगली साइज में बी फिक्स्ड टू वट एवर एक्सटेंट यू लाइक. second step you have to do, go to file, go to settings, and in setting go to output, and here you have to define the path where your recorded presentation or video will be saved. So I have selected in D drive my lecture videos, so it is saving the video in that particular folder. Second, you have to select this recording format. Earlier I had selected MP4 recording format yesterday, but what happened when I was uploading it to my YouTube channel, or I have uploaded it to WhatsApp, there was entirely the audio was not at all audible, there was huge disturbance. So then I found out that in FLV format it is functioning absolutely fine. So do select FLV here. So once you will do this, it will while you will close it, it will ask whether to save this or not. Just save it. And one more option is there is hotkeys. In hotkeys, what you can do, you select the keyboard keys through which you can start streaming, stop streaming, start recording, stop recording. So I have selected that to start streaming and to start recording नंबर 1 और 2 कीज़. तो जैसे मैं 1 या 2 नंबर की को दबाता हूँ, मेरी स्ट्रीमिंग यानी मेरा वीडियो आना शुरू हो जाता है और मेरी स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड होनी शुरू हो जाती है. और जैसे मैं 3 और 4 को प्रेस करता हूँ तो मेरा स्ट्रीमिंग और रिकॉर्डिंग रुक जाता है. सो आई डोंट हैव टू गो टू सॉफ्टवेयर. यहाँ पे जाके मुझे स्टॉप या स्टार्ट नहीं करना है, मैं कीज़ की हेल्प से कर सकता हूँ. तो ये एक ऑप्शन है. तो आपको देखा जाए तो कुछ नहीं करना है, जस्ट सोर्स पे जाके प्लस करके आपको वीडियो कैप्चर और डिस्प्ले कैप्चर ऐड कर लेना है, अपना विंडो को सेट कर लेना है जितना साइज में आप चाहते हैं. सेटिंग्स में जाके आपको आउटपुट में आपका वो फोल्डर बताना है जहाँ पे वीडियो सेव होगा और FLV फॉर्मेट सेव करना है. इतना करने से आपका वीडियो आराम से रिकॉर्ड होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद सिंपली आप इसको मिनिमाइज कर दीजिए, तब भी ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. जैसे अभी मुझे स्क्रीन में नहीं दिख रहा हूँ मैं खुद, बट स्टिल इट इज़ बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड. तो आपको सिंपल क्या है, इसको ओपन करके मिनिमाइज करके रखिए और फिर आपने जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन चलाना है या जो भी चीज़ रिकॉर्ड करनी है उसको सिंपली खोल लीजिए और स्टार्ट प्रेजेंटिंग दैट. सो फॉर एग्जांपल हम ये वाला खोलते हैं. Okay, there was some audio in that. I will open some other one. I think this one. So you simply open it and you can see that it is recording your screen as well as it is recording you, the presenter also. So please try to download it and if you are facing any problem do contact me. और देखिए अगर आपको कोई इसमें और अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग ऑप्शन मिलता है तो मुझे भी बताइए, क्योंकि मैं भी अभी इसको एक्सप्लोर कर ही रहा हूँ. आई होप ये आपको अच्छा लगेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.